In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have your domain onboarded, your DNS records discovered, a sensible default for bot control, and the right plan selected so you can start benefiting from faster load times and stronger security. First, head to the Cloudflare website and look for the option to start a free trial. That gets you into the sign-up flow. You can continue with a Google, Apple, or GitHub account if you prefer single sign-on, or you can create a traditional account using an email and password. Choose whichever feels most comfortable and secure for you. Once your account is created, go to your dashboard home and select Onboard a Domain to begin connecting your site. When prompted, enter an existing domain you own, or choose to register a new one if you're starting fresh. Next, Cloudflare will offer ways to bring in your DNS records. You'll see three choices: a quick scan that automatically discovers records, a manual entry option for adding them yourself, and a way to upload a DNS zone file if you already have one exported. For now, choose the quick scan so Cloudflare can pull in what it finds. After the scan, take a moment to review the results. Make sure the core records you expect are there, like your ARC name for the website and any MX records for email. You can always adjust or add records later if something is missing. You'll then see a setting for handling AI training bots. Cloudflare gives you three approaches: block on all pages, block only on specific host names that serve ads, or do not block to allow crawlers. For now, pick block on all pages to keep things simple and protective while you're getting set up. You can fine-tune this later if you need certain bots to access specific content. Click Continue to move ahead. Next comes plan selection. You'll see free, pro, business, and enterprise tiers, each adding performance and security features. To get started without cost, choose the free plan and confirm by clicking Select Plan. This is a great way to test Cloudflare and ensure everything works before upgrading. With onboarding complete, explore the key areas in your dashboard. DNS is where you manage records. Email can help route messages or protect mail flows. SSL TLS handles encryption so your site loads over HTTPS. Security is your hub for firewall rules and bot protections. And caching improves speed by serving content from Cloudflare's network. That's it, your domain is now set up on Cloudflare and ready to go.